How to hide Airbnb listing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To temporarily hide your Airbnb listing from search results, you can use the snooze feature. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for airbnb.com. Now, log in to your Airbnb account. Tap on the switch to hosting option on top of your screen and further tap on the listings option you see on top. Now go ahead and select the listing that you want to snooze. Now, under Listing Editor tab, you will see the option for Edit Preferences. Tap on that and then tap on the Listing Status option. Further, select the snoozed option from the drop-down menu and enter the start and end dates for the snooze period. Further, tap on the Save button to apply the changes that you just made. So, this is how you can hide Airbnb listing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.